Hi students, let's learn about the articles. So there are two kinds of articles, the indefinite articles and the definite articles. Indefinite articles are a, an, and the definite articles are the. The indefinite articles are a, an are used for first time reference to a singular countable noun. That means the a or an is used before a noun which noun is used for the first time in a sentence, and it is also used to the noun which are singular countable noun. It is to be used before a singular countable noun. Like example, a BBC report. Okay, it is a BBC report. BBC report is a singular noun, so that is why we are using here a. And then we can use an interesting quiz. This is also a singular noun, so that is why we can use a indefinite article an. Okay, and an is used when the beginning of the noun is a vowel. Okay, then we have to use it an. Now come to next, the definite article the. The definite articles the is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned or is known and easily recognized. It can be used before a singular as well as a plural nouns. So that means the is used when the noun is referred to has already been mentioned. That means the noun we are talking about is already been mentioned before in the sentence, and specifically we are speaking about it. So that is why we use the definite noun the. Again, it is also said that it can be used whether the noun is a singular or plural. Like example, the tallest, the internet, and the drawings. So here the tallest, the internet, they are singular noun and we can use the. And the next one is the drawings. Drawings is a plural, so whether it is a plural also we can use the. So thank you.